Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable token refresh alerts in Auth0 mobile SDK. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To disable token refresh alerts in the Auth0 mobile SDK, start by accessing your mobile application code. Locate the Auth0 configuration section within your application. Identify the instance of the Auth0 client that you have initialized. Within this configuration, find the settings related to token management. Look for the property that handles the token refresh alerts. This property is usually set to true by default, enabling alerts. Change this property from true to false. By doing this, you will disable the token refresh alerts. Next, ensure that your application correctly handles any token expiration events. Review the documentation provided by Auth0 for any changes in settings that may be relevant. Once you have made these changes, save your file. Compile and run your application to test the new configuration. Monitor for any token refresh alerts during your testing phase. If configured correctly, you should no longer see these alerts. Make sure to review your application for any potential impacts of this change. It's important to maintain the overall user experience and security of your application. By following these steps, you will efficiently disable token refresh alerts in your Auth0 mobile SDK. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.